A mechanic told me to put this into vinegar and leave it in the car. This trick worked amazingly in just one night. Vinegar absorbs odors well and helps neutralize unpleasant smells in closed spaces. Cinnamon has a strong, pleasant scent and helps freshen the air. When combined with vinegar, it works like a natural car air freshener. The next ingredient is essential oil. Add a few drops of your favorite oil to the vinegar. Now take some cloves. They have a strong, spicy scent and are often used to neutralize unpleasant odors. Add a handful of cloves to the bottle. This mixture works like a homemade air freshener for your car and gradually absorbs bad smells. Place the bottle where you usually keep drinks in the car. In just one night, it can remove unpleasant odors from the car. It is a simple, natural car air freshener that lets you stop buying expensive ones. This bottle trick is a well-known tactic used by car thieves. Before you get in and drive off, take a quick look at your wheels. It's a small detail that can save you a lot of stress. More and more often, thieves rely on a simple trick that's easy to miss. The bottle method is just one of their clever ways to steal a car without using keys. They slide a bottle under the car, usually on the passenger side, where drivers rarely look. When you start driving, you hear a strange noise or feel resistance. Instinctively, you stop the car and step out to see what's wrong. That's exactly the moment the thieves are waiting for. A split second of distraction is enough. An open door, the engine still running, or belongings left on the seat give them the perfect opportunity. Within seconds, they can jump in and drive away, or grab whatever is inside. It's a clever but very dangerous method. That's why staying alert matters. Always check around your wheels before driving off, and never ignore suspicious objects near your car. Better to spend a few seconds than deal with stress and losses later. If you know this trick, warn others too. This kind of knowledge can really help. A simple test to check if someone is watching you. Have you ever wondered if the mirror in your hotel room is a regular mirror or a one-way mirror? With these tricks, you can easily check and feel safer during your travels, knowing that no one is behind the glass. The first method worth knowing is the finger test. Place your finger against the surface of the mirror. In a regular mirror, you will see a gap between your finger and its reflection. However, if you touch a one-way mirror, your finger and its reflection will touch, leaving no space between them. You'll immediately recognize what kind of mirror you're dealing with. Another method is using a marker. Draw a line on the mirror and look at it at an angle. In the case of a regular mirror, you'll see two lines, the one you drew and its reflection. However, if you do this on a one-way mirror, you'll see only one line. This is another way that can help dispel any doubts. With these simple techniques, you can always ensure that you have full control over your privacy. There's a reason I always place glasses on the door handle like this. I worked in hotels for many years. This trick was shared with me by a frequent guest who's been using it for years. Everyone should know it. Many hotel rooms don't have any additional lock on the inside, and anyone with a duplicate key card can open the door from the outside. If you're staying somewhere unfamiliar and want to feel safer, this simple method can help you sleep more peacefully. All you need are two glasses from the hotel room. Hang one horizontally on the handle, sliding it in as deep as possible. Then place the second glass upright on top of the first. Leave it like this overnight. If someone tries to open the door, the glasses will fall and make a loud noise. You'll wake up immediately, and the noise will scare off the intruder. This trick is simple but highly effective. It's used not only by solo travelers, but also by flight crew and hotel staff, who often sleep in unfamiliar places. Few people know this clever trick. Spray some WD-40 onto a sponge. Wipe all the rubber seals around your car doors, paying special attention to the edges. It creates a thin, protective layer that conditions the rubber. This prevents moisture from settling on the seals. Your car doors won't freeze shut and will open easily. Do it once and forget about yanking on frozen doors in winter. Put an apple in your car. This trick was shared with me by a mechanic. Just place one half in the front and one in the back, and leave them for 24 hours. The apple works as a natural odor absorber. It pulls in moisture and neutralizes smells. Unlike air fresheners, It doesn't mask odors. It literally absorbs them. After a day, your car's interior smells fresh, almost like after professional ozone cleaning. But that's not all. An apple has another use that few people know about. Cut it in half and rub one half over your car windows. This old, forgotten trick works especially well on rainy days. Every driver knows the struggle of weak wipers, and in such cases, an apple can work wonders. Simply rub the window thoroughly, inch by inch. The malic acid in the apple creates what's known as the lotus effect, a natural phenomenon that makes water and dirt slide off quickly. As a result, your windshield stays clean and visibility improves even during heavy rain. Just repeat this simple trick from time to time. You should always keep this in your car. Just spray a little WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and wipe these spots. Dirt from shoes often collects on the lower door sills and plastic trim. WD-40 makes the grime disappear quickly and restores the shine to the plastics. This trick is perfect for a quick interior refresh. All you need is a pot lid to clean your car's upholstery. You've probably never tried such a simple trick. With it, you can freshen up your car's interior quickly and without spending money. Grab a large bowl, add a laundry detergent pod. The ingredients will help remove dirt and leave the upholstery smelling fresh. Pour in warm water. Wait for the pod to dissolve completely and mix it well to create a soapy foam. Take a small cloth and soak it in the mixture. Wring out the excess water thoroughly so it's just damp. Clean the car in sections. Lay the cloth over the upholstery. Place the pot lid on top. It's the key to this trick. Fold the edges of the cloth toward the center and grip them with the lid's handle so it stays tight. Clean the upholstery using circular motions, moving the lid across the surface. If the cloth dries out, simply soak it again and repeat on other areas. Your upholstery will look and smell fresh, giving your car a showroom feel. You'll save money on expensive cleaning at car washes and detailing services. I always keep a bar of soap in the car. Let me show you a few reasons why it's worth having it on hand. A regular bar of soap can not only increase driving comfort, but also improve your safety. You've probably had your wipers start squeaking or not clear water from the windshield properly. All you need to do is rub the surface of the blades thoroughly with the bar of soap. After that, they'll work much better, and if the problem comes back, just use the soap again. If you have trouble inserting your key into the lock, that's easy to fix too. Rub the key on the bar of soap, then spread a thin layer over its surface. The key will slide into the lock without any resistance. Soap also works great on door seals. Open the door and rub the rubber seals with the soap. It creates a thin, protective layer that reduces friction and prevents the rubber from sticking to the car body. Thanks to that, the doors open smoothly and without resistance, and the seals are better protected all year round. You can leave a bar of soap or a small piece somewhere in the car, for example, in the side door or other compartments. It works as a natural air freshener, providing a fresh, pleasant scent inside the vehicle. Rub a thin layer of soap on the inside of your windows, then polish it with a microfiber cloth. This way, you'll forget about foggy windows from the inside. One bar of soap, so many uses. Simple, effective, and no extra cost.